Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of the register storage class. A variable which is declared in register storage class, they will have a memory in CPU register instead of the main memory. So by allocating a memory in CPU register, we are able to access the data quickly than a variable which is having a memory in the main memory. Even though we declare the variable as a register storage class variable, it is purely the decision of the compiler whether to allocate the memory in the CPU register or a main memory. It is based on the availability of the CPU register and as well as the value, okay, the type of the data type and the value supposed to be stored in the variable should fit in the CPU register. Based on this only, the register will be allocated. One advantage is that the quicker access, okay, variable which is declared in register storage class, we are able to retrieve the value of the variable very quickly because it is stored in the register storage class. We'll discuss about the register storage class and the example. Register storage class, register variable are very similar to the auto variable. The difference is the storage. Register variable are stored in CPU register. Okay, other storage class variable, they are having a memory in the main memory. Okay, register variable are accessed fast than the local variables. Okay, than like auto variable, which are having a other storage class variable, which are having a memory in the main memory. The default value of the variable is any random garbage value. The lifetime is till the end of the function or method in the block. Okay, till the end of the function or method block. Because when you declare a register variable in a particular block, the scope is local to the block. When you declare a register variable in the function, the scope is local to the function. Okay, as long as the control remain in the block or remain in the function where the register variable is declared, then the register variable alive up to that. Okay, when once control go out of that function or block, okay, the register variable will not be active. So that is its lifetime. We can never get the address of such variable because the memory is allocated in a register. Okay, we cannot use the pointer concepts. Okay, especially the address operator cannot be used with the this register storage class variable. If you used it, okay, it will show an error. Okay, the compiler will show an error. Okay, we will discuss some examples of the register storage class. Okay, then before that, how to declare it? Okay, a register storage class, a variable is declared in register storage class using the keyword register. Okay, example, inside the main function, I am declaring register integer a. Register is the storage class name, integer is the data type, and a is the variable. Okay, here the examples are given. Example 1, I'm including as include stdio.h, the header file, void main. Inside the void main, I'm declaring a yes, a register storage class variable register integer a. So register is a storage class, integer is a data type, a is a variable name. I'm printing, okay, print of %d comma a. That means that, okay, any random variable, okay, sample output is given here, any random garbage value, the default initial value of the register storage class is a garbage value. Any default garbage value will get printed, okay, like this. Okay, the variable is allocated in the memory in CPU register. The initial value of a, okay, the variable a is a random garbage value. So output is 283456 is a random garbage value that is displayed here. So here in the example 2, what I am doing, I'm declaring a function, okay, which is I'm declaring a main function, okay, hash include stdio.h is a standard input output header file, and void main. So inside the void main, I'm declaring, okay, register integer a equal to 0. I'm initializing a value of a equal to 0. I'm trying to access the address, okay, printf %u. U is the format specifier for the unsigned integer. Ampersand a, ampersand operator is used. The compiler will show an error. So output is, okay, like this, okay, the error, address of the register variable a is requested. Okay, a requested. Okay, this will give a complete compile time error since we cannot access the address of a register variable because, okay, the main, okay, the address operator can be used with those storage classes, okay, where the memory is allocated in the main memory. The register variable, the memory is allocated in the CPU register, so we cannot use the address operator with the register variable. Okay, we will check this example in the code block environment. Okay, here the program which we discussed is given here as include stdio.h void main. I'm declaring a variable main function. I'm declaring a variable register integer a. Register is a storage class, integer is a data type, and a is a variable. I'm printing the value printf %d comma a. So I'm printing the value of a. We'll check, okay, what value. I'm not initializing it. Okay, I'm directly printing the value. We'll check the output. So we will get a default initial value. Yes, we'll have a value like this. Okay, A403064. Okay, randomly allocated garbage value. If I'm initializing it, I'm initializing a value with the 100. Okay, now I'm initializing a value as 100. I'll run the program. Okay, my value is 100. I'm getting output 100. Okay. Then actually now what I'm trying to do, now I'm trying to print the address of the, another printf, I'm trying to print the address of this register variable. Okay, so how to print this? We have to use the address operator. Okay, %u unsigned integer format specifier, because address are also the positive integers memory address are. I'm applying the ampersand, okay, to print the memory address. Okay, I run the program. It will show an error. Okay, error is given below. Error, address of the register variable a requested is the error. Okay, we cannot use the address operator with the register variable. Okay, because the memory is not allocated in the CPU main memory. It's a memory is allocated in the CPU register, not in the main memory. So we cannot use the address operator with the register variable. Okay, that's it. In this video lecture, we discuss about the what is register storage class, and how to declare a variable in the register storage class by using the register keyword, and now we can print the what is the default initial value, and we understand that the memory is allocated in a CPU register, and as well as we cannot use the address operator for this variable which is declared in the register storage class. Okay, that's it for this video lecture. Thanks for watching it.